Short on time? Easy W2 makes last-minute W2 filing simple and secure. Print on plain white paper, SSA approved, no red forms required. Need to file more than 10 forms? Skip the SSA setup and e-file directly from the app. Trusted for over 20 years, Easy W2 helps you file fast and file right. Let's get started. Step 1. Install Easy W2 software. Visit the HalfPriceSoft website to download Easy W2. Step 2. Set up your company. Use the Company menu to quickly set up your company information. Step 3. Enter tax form data. You can enter the employee and W2 data manually. Or you can import data from a CSV file, QuickBooks IF file, or our Easy Paycheck and Easy Accounting software. Step 4. Print forms. Print a single form or a batch, either on plain white paper or pre-printed red forms. You can print one form per page or multiple forms on a sheet. Form W3 will be generated automatically based on the W2 forms. Step 5. E-file to federal and state agencies. With Easy W2's intuitive e-filing screen, you can easily generate W2 and W3 e-file documents and upload them directly to federal and state agencies yourself. The 2025 version introduces a new direct e-file feature for federal returns, perfect for users who don't have an IRS user ID or simply want to save time. To use this feature, create a free customer account and purchase the e-file service in advance. Then, on the e-file screen, just click e-file with HalfPriceSoft to submit your forms quickly, securely, and hassle-free through our system. If you need help, click the Help menu for a step-by-step guide, or visit our support page on the HalfPriceSoft website. Make tax season stress-free with Easy W2. Download a free demo today and see how it simplifies your tax preparation and filing.